It's so hot today. I sure could use some ice cream right now. Did someone say ice cream?
Sorry, sir. You have to wear a mask.
A mask? I don't want to wear a mask. Masks are for losers. I'm not a loser.
Sorry, sir. No masks, no service.
What did you say to me? I'm gonna get my ice cream whether you like it or not.
Currently, many retails only allow individuals with masks on to enter their establishments, which means retail staff man a door that permits customers only with masks on. When a customer comes up who is not wearing a mask, the employee is at risk as they cannot control if the person is going to come within 6 feet of them. What our solution offers is the safety of employees when permitting people into an establishment. Through the use of an automatic face mask detection and the lifting of a barrier when a mask is present, our solution ensures that any individual walking into an establishment is masked.
Hi, this is the Five Flamingos, and we've got the solution for your business to manage the spread of COVID-19.
Our model is trained using IBM Watson visual recognition model, and it is classifying the images according to their class. The first class is with mask. The second class is without mask. Now here is the testing. As you can see, the first image is very likely to be an image with mask, and the second image is very likely to be an image without mask.
So right here we have a basic barrier run by a DC motor, Jetson Nano, a basic motor driver, and 8 AA batteries. Just off of these things, we are working with IBM Watson API, and I can actually pull it up here and demonstrate for you. So pull up the program here. It will pull up the camera via this PlayStation Eye, relatively cheap as well, and you can see my image on the screen. So let's try it out. Okay, so no mask, attempt 1. Let's look at the screen. 3, 2, 1. Let's see what we get. So nothing here, and you can see the same here on the API response, no mask. And now let's try it with a mask. And press space. And that should trigger the barrier.
Where do we go from here? Our current design, using the Jetson to call the Cloud API, has several disadvantages. First of all, we have to be worried about privacy. Several vendors who have private information might be unwilling to have their images sent to the cloud. Furthermore, it's not as easily scalable, since the user would have to go to every single Jetson to update the software. Lastly, it doesn't take advantage of the edge computing power on the Jetson. So how do we get around this problem? Well, we use IBM Edge Application Manager. The next iteration of this design will place IBM Edge Application Manager between the Jetson and the user. We'll train the model in the cloud and then deploy this model on the Jetson. This has the advantage of being easily scalable to thousands of edge devices, as well as taking advantage of their edge computing capabilities.
You again? You're not gonna go past me this time.
What do you mean?
Why don't you take a look?
Wait a second. Is that a barrier?
You're only getting past if you wear a mask. Just stand in front of the camera and press that button.
Huh. So I just press this button right here, right? Here we go. Huh. What's going on here? You got me this time. Huh. You think it'll be that easy? You don't think I came prepared? I'll show you this time. Okay, here goes nothing. Yes!
Okay, here's your ice cream.
Thanks, my favorite.